Hey everyone, this is a review for the ASUS ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop. The specs are really good for this laptop. I love how you can even play with 100 FPS or even more in some games like Halo Infinite, Apex Legends, the finals, with the silent mode, without it overheating or having the max power of the CPU/GPU. This version specifically does not have the numeric pad included. I originally thought it was going to be, but this one does not. Sound experience is good enough considering that this is a gaming laptop, but by using headsets, the sound changes considerably, so a good point to have the direct connection. Wi-Fi is the fastest and best one I've ever seen personally. I have played online getting 80+ pin easily, considering I'm from Colombia and the pin does not get below that normally. The experience can change a bit with cable, but there is not a big change, at least on my end. Long story short, Wi-Fi is really attractive if you do not mind losing or having some MS more. That is perfect. Battery lasted long enough to see one complete season of 12 25-minute episodes. Screen looks amazing. The power plug is in an odd spot though. It's in the center of the right hand side, and with the power brick being so large, that might cause trouble for some when trying to position it elsewhere. I also find the trackpad can be a bit funky. It will sometimes not register clicks and more frequently won't register 2-finger scrolling correctly. I've tried reinstalling drivers and tweaking settings for both the audio or trackpad issue, but nothing has seemed to help. This is a new laptop after all, so I'm hoping these issues can get sorted out soon. If you are looking to jump into a medium or high performance laptop, this is a great option.